Hello guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur background on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open the CapCut apps with the video that you want to blur background. And before we start it, I just want to let you know this method only works well if you want a blur background with real people in it. If you want to blur background with anime character, this method probably would not work well. Let's get started. First, click on the clip and click copy. This one. And go to the first video and click remove background. Okay. And now click overlay like this. Now go to the effect, click video effect and click a basic. In here you can see a blur effect, this one, and you can click on it again if you want to adjust how much blur you want and you can do less blur or more blur. Like this. Okay. And now click on the effect and set the effect until the end of the video, like this. So that's how you can blur background on CapCut apps. Pretty easy, right? If you want to blur part of your video, you can use the same method as my previous tutorial, how to blur fresh on CapCut. I can save the link in my description box. Okay, I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys, bye bye.